Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Talisha, also known as CreativiTeeByT, and today I will be sharing my July sewing plan. So if this is something that you are interested in, please continue to watch. Hello everyone and thank you for joining me. As I stated earlier, I am going to share with you my July sewing plans. But before we get started, if you are interested in this type of content, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the gray notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video, and go ahead and hit the like button either now or on your way out. So let's go ahead and get started on these plans. Now, if you have been following me, you know that I have announced my Fruity Fashion Collection series. If you have not, I will go ahead and put a info card up in the screen here, and I will also put the link in the description box below. But the Fruity Fashion Collection series that I am doing is just a collection of garments that I am going to be making with fabrics that have fruit on them. I think that fruity fabrics are so fun, and I wanted to have a wardrobe collection of those garments full of fruit, so that's what I decided to do. And for the first garment for the Fruity Fashion Collection, I am making Simplicity 8873, and I am making View B, which is what the model is wearing. This is Gertie. And I actually just completed that dress, so I will be uploading that video on this Sunday, so stay tuned for it, because I'm telling you, I absolutely love that dress. The pattern did not disappoint. I felt so fruity. I know that was corny, but I felt so fruity and pretty in my strawberry dress. So leading into that, the fabric, I used a strawberry border print fabric that I purchased from Joann Fabrics, and it has a white background with black polka dots on there. So I'll go ahead and insert a clip of what the fabric looks like, because I have already cut into it, as I stated, because I made it. So yeah, I am very excited to share that on Sunday. And so that was the first plan. And again, that was Simplicity 8873. So for my second plan, I am going to make another dress for the Fruity Fashion Collection, and I am going to be using McCall 7991. I've had this pattern in my stash for a long time, and I do believe it is still available because I've seen it in the drawers during more recent McCall sales. But I have always looked at this as a fall dress, because the original fabric that I purchased for this pattern is more fall wintry, and I was always planning to make View C, which is what the model is wearing. But I was looking for a dress to make for the Fruity Fashion Collection for this second dress, which is actually going to be the orange dress. And I have this jersey fabric that I'm going to show you right now. So this is the orange fabric right here, and I've already started cutting into it, so that's why it's like this. So it has orange slices, it has whole oranges, and then, you know, just different, it's sliced in different ways, and then it has these black feathers on here, and then like juice drops. But I have not been buying a lot of knits lately, because I just don't want anything clinging to my body, and it's kind of hard to wear a fit and flare style with knits. So I didn't really know what to make with this fabric, but I didn't want it to go to waste. So I had a couple of patterns in the stash, and I just wasn't feeling them, and then I remembered I had that pattern, and I had it tucked away in a different spot away from the other patterns, because I had planned to make it. But it came to my mind, I went and found the pattern, and I decided that I could make this view here, View A, the sleeveless view. And that's what I did. And you know what? It came out fabulous. It's coming along fabulous. So I just have to finish some minor touches, the hemming, you know, that sort of thing. But I did my try on, and it's turning out great. So I am very, very happy about that, because I really didn't want to be disappointed. Basically, I am excited about this series, and I didn't want to lose my momentum with that dress because of the fabric not being great. So that is plan number 2. So you will be seeing that after you see the strawberry dress, and that is the orange dress. So for my next plan, I had purchased this sunflower fabric a little while ago, and I got it from Hobby Lobby. I absolutely love sunflowers. I love pictures of sunflowers, and I just thought, why not make a sunflower dress? And so I want to make a sunflower dress because one of the local farms here, they grow sunflowers in 2 different batches, and this first batch is expected to have its first full bloom this Friday. And sunflowers usually stay bloomed for 2 weeks and then they die. And then they are going to have another batch in September, but I want to get my dress made, and I want to get pictures in the sunflower field with my dress with this first batch. So I have 2 weeks to get this dress done, and I really am not planning on waiting the whole 2 weeks, because I don't want to get out there and have a bunch of dead looking sunflowers, you know, because they're at the end of their lifespan. So I am going to be getting this made up pretty soon here, and I will show you the pattern that I plan to use to make this dress. So for this dress, I plan to make Vogue 9100. I thought this would be cute, and I am going to make the shorter version, which is version A, and it's only short by just a little bit. But I thought this would be a cute combination. It is a fit and flare style. The bodice is fully lined, and it has princess seams. And here's the back. There's seams in the back as well. So it is different from my strawberry dress, with the bodice being different, but I just thought this would be perfect because of how low the neckline comes. Just it's summery, and it just kind of fits the theme, in my opinion. So I'm excited to get this dress made up and in this pattern, and like I said, I am going to be doing that very soon, within a week. I wanted to take my pictures halfway in between the lifespan of that first bloom. So that's this plan. So for my next plan, I know I have mentioned several times in my videos that Ankara Appreciation Week is going to be from July 12th through the 18th. And for that week, I do plan to make one brand new garment out of my Ankara fabric that I recently purchased. During that purchase, I did order 4 different prints and styles, and the print that I'm going to use is going to be this. So this is the Ankara fabric that I am going to use to make a garment. And not only am I making this garment for Ankara Appreciation Week, but I am also collaborating with Rochelle from Rochelle.handmade.designs, and she is going to make something out of the same fabric. When I posted my haul, Rochelle typed in the comments and said, let me know that she had the same fabric. So we just decided that we would make a garment in collaboration with Ankara Appreciation Week out of that same, and I'm not sure which pattern she's going to use, and I'm not sure which pattern I'm going to use yet, but definitely stay tuned for that, because we are going to post our garments on Instagram, and we're going to publish our videos here on YouTube on the 18th to reveal the garment made out of this fabric. So again, stay tuned for that. This should be really, really nice. So for my next plan, yes, I have a lot of plans this month. My baby boy is turning 2 this month. At the end of the month, he will be 2. They are growing up so fast. So I know that for my husband's birthday, I made him a shirt. And I know I've mentioned to you all for my 3-year-old's birthday, I made him a shirt. So for my soon-to-be 2-year-old, I'm going to make him a shirt for his birthday as well, and I am going to use that same fabric that I use for my husband and that I use for my 3-year-old. So this is Ankara fabric, and I am going to make him a vest. Because my husband and the 3-year-old already have shirts, I'm going to make my 2-year-old, well, soon to be 2-year-old, a vest. And this is View A, which is the blue vest right here. And especially since it's summer too, he really doesn't need a shirt, and I think this blue vest will look great. And then once I get the vest made, they can all take their group picture. We will finally be able to get those pictures taken that I have been talking about for the longest. So yes, this is McCall's 6873, and I'm going to make the vest, which is View A, and that is for his birthday. And last but not least, I need to make some pillowcases. And in my home, I make pillowcases out of fleece. They like soft pillowcases, and fleece is what they prefer. So I purchased this fleece to match the bedding that it's going to go with. I purchased that from Joann's, and I just need to make some quick and easy pillowcases, and then they will be happy. So that is all for my plans. You can let me know in the comments what you think about them. I thank you so much for watching. I have a lot of work to do. I typically only make about 2 definite plans in a month, but as you can see, I have overdone my planning, but that's okay because I do feel like I can get this accomplished. And I will definitely be posting everything here on YouTube, and I will also be posting my makes on Instagram and on my blog, and I will put all the information to those accounts in the description box below. And if you have not done so already, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. You can click the gray notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, and I do thank you for watching, and I thank my returning subscribers for watching and for continuing to come back. And yeah, that's it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.